Hello, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be revisiting my very first woodworking project I made over 10 years ago. I'm excited to see how my skills have improved and to compare my very first sign to my latest creation. So come join me as I take a trip down memory lane and see how far I've come since then. Well, let's get started. In this clip here, I'm just quickly in the CNC editing software I use, taking two different fonts and combining the H and the E, certain sections of each, with the other font to make it more custom and look a little better. As you can see, it's all cut out on the CNC. Looks great. Now we're after some primer coats, some paint coats. I think we did 2 coats of black paint. This is at the end of the recording, the project's done. I just found out I lost over an hour and a half of all my woodworking in a video file that corrupted. So there's gonna be a gap in the video. Just inserting this here, if you're wondering what happened to the video, the file went corrupt. Lessons learned. Now back to the video. In this clip here, you can see me shaking up the clear Coke can and applying a nice generous coat. This is going to help protect the sign and the whiteout for many years to come. In this clip, you can see the sign I made 10 years ago versus the sign that I made for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.